Hi, everybody. I'm Miss Dwyer. Welcome to Individual Fitness 10 through 12. I will be your teacher for this class. So thanks for watching the video. I'm going to go through a quick PowerPoint. I'm going to share my screen with you guys. It'll help take you through the Schoology page and what you can expect being in this class. All right, so first off, for attendance, you guys should have heard this before. Make sure you are logging into Infinite Campus and getting your attendance logged. A little bit about me. I'm in my third year as the head coach, softball coach here at Eastview. Although this is my first year teaching here, I student taught here in the spring. So I taught in person and online in the spring. I got my undergrad from the University of Minnesota, where I also played softball. You can see that in the picture here below. And then I just got my master's this summer in PE and health. During my summer and my quarantine, I went back to Iowa and spent it with my parents. This is our deck, looking at our barn. We had a lot of bonfires, so that was a good time. I also coach club softball, so that's me here in the middle, coaching a bunch of 16-year-olds. Over here, I'm at the lake, my friend's lake, probably my favorite place to go. And then down here, I just bought a house a few weeks ago. So that is me outside my house, which is a construction zone right now, pretty much. So yeah, that's a little bit about me. What this class is going to look like. All right, so this is an important slide for you guys. Monday and Tuesday is broken up into what we're going to call the blue workout. Wednesday is broken up into what we are going to call the black workout. And Thursday and Friday will be the silver workout. Okay? Then we have the days you meet with me, which will be Mondays, and we're going to be doing an academic piece during that time with me. So you'll most likely not be working out during the time with me, but we'll be doing something academic that the cohort A and B kids will be doing in person also. All right, so you guys will be on track with them. So either Monday or Tuesday, you'll be doing your blue workout. Wednesday, you're doing your black workout. Thursday or Friday, you are doing your silver workout. All right. So one academic activity is 10 points. 3 days of these activities is 30 points. All right, so 40 points total for the week. So for example, you guys are going to meet on Monday afternoon, Zooming with me to complete your academic piece. Then either Monday or Tuesday, you have time to complete your blue workout. Okay, so you can do it Monday before our Zoom, you can do it after our Zoom, you can do it on Tuesday. Okay, you just have to do it Monday or Tuesday. It is going to be due Tuesday at 11:59 p.m. The blue workout is due at 11:59 p.m. So is your academic piece. So if we don't finish it in class on Zooming, okay, it's due Tuesday at 11:59. Our black workout is going to be due on Wednesday at 11:59. Okay, so you only have one day to do the black one. And then Thursday and Friday, you'll have 2 days to do the silver workout. Okay, so you can do it Thursday or Friday, but your due date is going to be 11:59. So for grading, okay, each activity is going to be 10 points. So like I said, it's due on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. You're going to get 2 points off if you turn something in a week late. You'll get 4 points off if you turn it in 2 weeks late. And after the 2-week mark, you're going to get 0 points. Okay, so this is to help keep you guys on track, making sure we're turning things in on time. All right, if you miss a day, you miss a workout, you just go back to that folder in Schoology and you do that workout for the makeup. So your at-home workouts should take about 30 minutes to complete from the time you get onto Schoology to filling out the exit ticket for the day. Different things we'll do will include YouTube videos, yoga videos. I have some GIFs. Sometimes we'll create our own workouts, so we will get creative there. So your Schoology page, what it'll look like, they'll have a place at the top for you to ask any questions. If you want to ask questions there, instead of reaching out to me individually, maybe your classmates can answer them for you instead. Then we'll click on the materials over here, and we'll have our week 1 folder. Once you click on your week 1 folder, it will split up into the blue workout, the black workout, and the silver workout. Okay, so depending on what day it is, that's which one you will want to click on. Once you click on, for example, the blue workout, all right, there is going to be a link here that says Digital Academy only. That is you guys. Okay, so you don't need to worry about which one to click on. I will always try to say Digital Academy only. So again, you can do it the 14th or the 15th. Once you're done with it, you'll turn it in the blue workout exit ticket. All right, it says everyone. So A kids and B kids are turning their homework in here as well. And then the academic piece, we'll have the link here. If you don't take notes or something happens during our Zoom session, you need to go back and look at the information we went over. It'll be there, and you'll turn that assignment into this assignment tab as well. The next few days are a little easier, so this is the most confusing day just because we're meeting in person those days. Wednesday, all you're going to do is click on the week 1 black workout. You're going to do it, complete it, and then you'll turn in the exit ticket here. Same thing with the silver workout on Thursday or Friday. Just know that it's due at 11:59 on Friday evening. Okay, best ways to get a hold of me, email me, send me a message in Schoology. I'll usually probably try to respond in the afternoons. Wednesdays are a great day to reach out if you do have questions, just because we don't have any students. So thanks for watching. Good luck. Have fun. We'll see you guys next week.